Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use your Google Drive as your digital pen drive. It's very easy. Just you have to log in your Gmail and we'll go to directly to Google Drive. See, where in this shortcut you'll go over Google Drive. Okay. Now, if you see a new pen drive, you see a blank space over here, you can copy paste. And same is the Google Drive. We have opened the Google Drive and we can just now copy paste files and use as digital things. So if suppose I want to copy a single file in my drive, so what will I do? I'll see, suppose I want to copy this file. Okay, I'll just drag it here in the Google Drive and just see, now my file is being uploaded. One upload complete. Okay, if suppose you want to upload from your Gmail, then you have to click over here, file upload, desktop, and see, now your file is being uploaded. Okay, so now what you can also do, you can also create a folder. So for that, what you need to do, if suppose I am uploading many of the documents, I want to show you a few shortcuts. See, all my files are being getting uploaded. Okay, now all my file is being 24 files are updated. So basically what you can do, you can also add it into a single folder. So for that, what you will do, on the left side you will see new folder. Okay, suppose I am creating printing file document. Okay, so for, see, my folder is being created. If suppose you need to insert in this, you don't have to copy paste over here, you have to just, suppose you have to just drag it over here. Okay, and your document is being moved. See, I am just opening, see, my document is being moved. So okay, if suppose you want to move all these documents, what you have to do, select control A, then don't select this folder, just select control A and you will see a blue mark highlighted over here. So basically what do I want to show you, see, you have to just move it like this. Okay, after moving, see, when I'm moving this, when I'm releasing my mouse click, you have to click on the white side. Your all the documents will be moved inside. See, all the documents are moved inside. See, all the documents are moved. And now what will I will be showing, how to share folder for printing files or a particular file. So what you have to do, click, right click on the document, get link, and see it showing restricted. So what you have to basically do, click anyone with the link and click editor option. Okay, editor option means the anyone can download. If suppose he mails anyone in the world in any mail id, he can download with this link. So what you have to do, copy link over here and you have to share it. Okay, or suppose you save it for an instance. Okay, then you can share anyone for printing purpose, link. Okay, now if suppose you want to block, your work is being over, you have to block that link so that nobody can download. Okay, just right click over here, get link, and you have to just select restricted mode. So anyone in the world who has that link can't download that file. So this is how you use the Google Drive as your digital pen drive. Okay, you also get 15 GB space over here, so you can use it very efficiently and with very secure purpose. Thank you.